Hey guys, it's Colson of Ron Hoover, RV and Marine. I'm here at NRG. I'm going over my 2018 Majek Ultra Cat. A lot of history behind this boat. Not only is it super skinny water boat, it has the biggest deck out there. This is great for guides, people with a lot of families. You're going to have 5 to 6 people up on the bow of this boat throwing. Just a great. Majek is around a long time. This gives you great storage in the front, so you can put your life jackets, all your little cast nets, anything you might need on this boat, as well as this one's going to have 2 live wells. Super important for your professional fishermen, avid fishermen. This way you don't have to run the back of the boat. You can just grab your bait, throw off the front, as well as the back. Fishing off the back of this boat, it's right there for you. Now this boat's going to have the 300 Pro Mercury engine on it. It's going to give you a great hole shot, get you on the water, get you moving your next honey hole. Alright, this one's going to have the burner rack. This way, if you want to go sight fishing, sight casting, you can actually stand up here and lean on your post up here. On the Ultra Cat, you have your cup holders that are actually welded to this frame. Racing seats, these are great. Also gives you the option of your leaning post. That way when you're running, you have the option of standing up or sitting down. Now on this particular boat, we're going to have a ton of rod holders. We're going to have 4 rod holders on the back of the seats, 3 on each side. Good to go. If y'all have any questions, feel free to check us out.